Secure Transportation's warehouse and pre-staging facility is located just a few miles from London Heathrow Airport. Their range of Euro 6 compliant vehicles include ones with adjustable air ride suspension and tail lifts with load clearances through the back of up to 2.5 meters. From deliveries and collections across a diverse range of industries, including exhibitions, trade shows and corporate events, pro audio and AV, medical and scientific, white glove services, with two-man positioning on site and a full range of specialist handling equipment, to data center hardware relocation and installations. Anything from a 1U server to a fully populated router, de-racked and re-racked using our bespoke hydraulic lifting equipment. Anywhere in the UK and Europe, night and day, Secure Transportation will add value to your business. Visit their website at www.secure-transportation.co.uk.